Happy Friday, everybody. It's Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and we're at a beautiful home here in West Little Rock. And I wanted to highlight banded shades, and they're also called zebra shades, but whatever name you give them, they're awesome, and people really loved them in 2024. It's a great trend for 2025, and it provides privacy and light filtering. This is a sheer shade, so if you might be able to see it through the camera, but we can actually see the patio outside because these are tilted halfway open. And if you want full privacy, all you do is hit the PowerWand button down and you've got full privacy. This is a PowerWand. This is also an upgrade. This is a motorized sheer shade, and the PowerWand has the ability to, boom, motorize them, but at an economical price. And they'll be recharged about 300 times. You only need to recharge them every 10 to 12 months. They've got a lithium battery up inside the tube. And to recharge them, you just plug in the transformer, and then you plug in this little micro USB right at the bottom of the PowerWand, and in 4 or 5 hours that'll turn green and you're good for another 10 to 12 months. And if you want to put them all the way up, you just push the up button and they'll go up on their own. So these are banded shades, otherwise known as zebra shades, and very popular. The color's beautiful, goes with the paint, fits well into this beautiful home. And this has been Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade in Little Rock, Arkansas. Cheers.